So we have very exciting news. We have finally ordered the stairs. We chose to go for flat pack. We have used them in our previous house when we fitted stairs to the loft. I have to say this is not for a basic DIY to do. Mr. B, obviously being a builder, is quite competent to do it, but they come in a flat pack, literally a flat pack, like a piece of furniture from IKEA. So you really have to be very knowledgeable to be able to fit them. Mr. B find them quite straightforward. So we ordered online, but you can phone them and discuss things with them. The company is tkstairs.com, and there is no disclaimer here. We did not get these stairs for free, and we did not get any discount, but we do have permission to use the company name. So this is all the measurements that Mr. B sent to them. It's a 3-kite riser, and it gives you all the dimensions there, and the beauty of it is they send you a 3D drawing you can see in there, and that's exactly how the stairs are going to look. So as we enter the front door here, and we will have the stairs starting there and going up. This is obviously the front view of it. This cost us, including P&P, just under £400. Not only for the price, being one of the reasons we went back to TK Stairs, is also the fact the access into the house. If you want, you can have it fitted like semi-assembled in 2 parts, and that only costs you an extra £20 or so. But we would have issues getting the stairs inside the house to fit them, so it's actually in this case much easier for us to just have it flat pack. If you can see this wall here, if I turn around, that's the frame that we have in here. We have now decided that it's best if we plasterboard this wall, these 2 walls, before we start to break through that wall there, what is a solid wall, because as you know, if you are following us, this is our office, and although there is no stopping with the amount of dust that is going to create, we can limit the amount of dust by boarding up this frame, because we need to board it anyway, so might as well do it before. It may be a bit more difficult for Mr. B to install the stairs at the time, but we'll definitely limit the amount of dust coming into the office. Hello everyone. So it's 10 o'clock Sunday morning, and this is the joys of renovation. We are trying to fit a pipe.
Let's in, see how that one's in.
Mr. B is happy now. We are fitting a soil pipe. Soil pipe for the new toilet bathroom.
Spin it round.
Upstairs.
That's it, keep going there. That's it.
For our guests. And I'm already sweating. So this is the pipe we are fitting that needs to go through that wall, through the storage in the guest bedroom, and now to the side of the house to join an existing soil pipe we already have from Queen's B bathroom. Boxed what is going to be the shower. The toilet is in there at the moment, but it will be going in there. I asked Mr. B to create some shelves in that corner there for me because I think it's great to have storage for extra toilet paper and for towels and bath sheets for the guests. This main room is still a building site, but it's starting to take shape. Is the outside of the guest bathroom is in there, so we only have a little bit more plasterboard to do. So, the joys of renovating a bungalow. I don't know if you can see where I am. Mr. B have put me in the eaves of the roof because we need to attach a radiator into the room, so we need to put some support on the wall, and Mr. B cannot fit in here, so he sent the midget to come here to do it.
She gets all the nice jobs.
Did you hear that? I get all the nice jobs. So, we came across
You can see it clearly there, look.
a problem.
If you look at the things, you can see all the thousands of little holes.
So, and what's that, Mr. B?
Woodworm.
Yes. So, all the other wood seems to be fine.
But it needs treating.
It's just a piece that was running along here. So, we don't know if it's been added at latest date.
Latest date, I think it has.
But we have removed all this, so Mr. B says.
And the support one here, which we don't need because we've got support here now.
Yeah, so we used to have a support one here. Mr. B has removed, because obviously we have the new ones now. This is all the stuff we have taken out so far. And as you can see, it's quite bad. So we're going to have to treat this, the rest of the wood now, to make sure.
Not this, the wood that's left in there.
Yeah, all the existing structure, we're going to have to spray it to make sure that the disease is not spreading to the rest of the woodwork. So that's
This will have to come up too now, look.
is an expected surprise. Mr. B is trying to remove that one there as well, because that one is affected as well. So we will have to check all the woodwork now and make sure that the disease is contained, basically. So, nothing goes to waste in this house. We found in the eaves of the house a lot of wood again today. I'm using this one, it's quite good wood actually, it's redwood, because I need a button for the second guest bedroom to fit a blind. I already cut it to size. So this is getting a bit clearer here. What we decided to do, we have storage in the eaves, and we are storing all the wood in there and copper pipe, because we may need in the future. Regarding the problem we found with the wood, we have used this